Hey everyone, this is Lana here with a little bit of a different video, this involving Game Grumps, which I'm a huge fan of, because they were also one of the inspirations for me to actually start with YouTube and all of that, way back. And I love Ninja Sex Party. I reacted to some of their songs here, and I think they are phenomenal songwriters, and I generally love their humor. And I like the Muppets. As you can see, I'm 99% genetic, similar to the Swedish chef Herb Derp. It runs in the family. He was a special child. And reason why I'm talking about this here today is because I'm gonna watch a few videos by Squishy Productions. They actually sent me an email and asked if I want to check this out. And when I saw it was about Game Grumps, Ninja Sex Party and stuff like that, and the puppets, like the Muppets. Puppets. Let's go. And I couldn't resist. I needed to check this out. Because as they wrote in an email, like you know, there are lots of animations. I watch lots of animation people done with Game Grumps, but instead of animations and stuff like that, it's puppets they use. So we're gonna check this out, and of course, links to Squishy Productions channel and the original videos will be linked below. And with that, without further ado, let's take a look at these. I will say I already love this. Ninja Sex Puppets even. Ninja Sex Puppets. Shredded metal. Okay. I realize I haven't... Sorry, the sound is not in the right place. I'm terrible sorry. I'm a horrible YouTuber. Why am I even trying? I can't get my things right. There we go. Now... Oh, it was the cat. One of them. There we go.
So for the past 3.5 years...
That is amazing! Oh my god! Oh god, nay, oh god, these are amazing. Oh fuck me, they are... I love how fluffy that is.
Ninja Brian and I have been working on the most intense metal song of all time. It's finally ready, so prepare your body for this shit.
Oh god, I'm so ready.
Ninja Brian! That's not it. No, that's not... Oh, you took some liberties? That's not metal. Play it right, please.
Oh my god.
That's the same... It's just the underwater effect on the same song. Come on, man. Brian, I know you love loopy reggae jams. Now is not the time.
Oh god.
Could you please play the actual metal song we worked on for 3.5 years? Yes!
Oh yeah! Oh god!
Back when Satan ruled the left, god damn it!
Oh god, that's staring in. Is he looking into my soul? Oh my god. Okay, that was actually creepy. Oh my god. Oh. Ah, man, it sort of hurt my cheeks, man. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the stuff we're gonna watch here. I'm loving this. Holy crap. This, and I realized the camera was on the... It was crooked, so... it was not that Earth is tilting, it was me tilting on my camera, but... Oh my god! That's just fucking amazing. Oh. We're gonna jump over to the next one, which is Ninja Sex Puppets Part 2, because they made more parts. Butt Sex Goldilocks. Oh god. I legit can't imagine better people to be puppets like this than Danny Sexbang, Ninja Brian, and Aaron. You know, they are perfect fucking puppet material. I'm just saying.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Come on, girl. This butt sex is too cold. This butt sex is too hot. This butt sex is just right. Butt sex Goldilocks.
Hey guys, sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to know how the song was going for the hospital performance for sick children.
It's almost done, Doctor. You can't rush genius. Please leave.
Okay, sorry.
Let me pour my spoon into your porridge chamber, butt sex Goldilocks. Wait, Ninja Brian, I just realized something that might be a serious problem. This song is too amazing. High five.
Oh my god. Poor. Oh god. And that teacher guy, look, I thought it was Dr. Wiley for a second there. And knowing Ninja Sex Brian and Ninja Sex Brian. Oh my god, I can't even get their names right now. Oh my god. You mess with my brain. Oh my god. Seriously, this is so amazing. Oh my fucking god. And we have... Oh god, they even made an intro there. Oh my god. The last video we're gonna watch here right now is Puppet Grumps 7. So there are a bunch of them. Shark Week. I mean, I see what they do there, but I won't bite.
Look at that deadly hammerhead shark up there. He hunts his prey by swimming in a very scary manner.
I'm talking. Don't be scared. Those are just hammerhead sharks.
The most vicious of them all.
They kill quickly, painlessly. They can be a little unpredictable, but there are almost no reports of attacks. Almost. As long as you don't startle them, you should have nothing to worry about.
They especially super don't like gray and blue.
Go ahead and equip the multi-sensor.
Oh, cool.
Or as I like to refer to it, the hammerhead agitator.
But most people just call it the shark startler. Oh, also,
amazing.
Their most feared enemy is a thing with like a long snout with a red dot on the end. They really hate that.
It drives them. The multi-sensor has picked up something. Run!
It's a baby hammerhead egg. And they're most vicious when they hatch.
Oh my god! This is amazing! Nay! Oh god, dude. Seriously, this is amazing. I love this stuff. Holy crap, I need to watch more. And hopefully you guys will as well, because yikes, these are amazing. Oh my god. I can barely breathe. And I mean, first of all, I just love the idea of doing this. As I said, they fit so well as puppets. It's amazing. Fucking hilarious. Fucking priceless, man. This is such a genius thing. I really hope more people get to see it. I hope Dan and Ari get to see this as well. Oh, God. Oh, seriously. Fantastic work with these. I love these. And hopefully more people will see these. And my God. Follow it. Just watching these. Seriously do that. Support them. Support the creators of these because they are amazing. Holy crap, oh God. I need to breathe. But yes, I will be back here with more I will be back. I will be back with more here. So, oh my god, I can't even finish. Oh god, my brain has been scrambled. Damn you, my few remaining brain cells.